We just left Benitez Sport. In our left side we have Perama, small mouse island with the airport of Corfu. Morocco Peninsula with the Corfu Holiday Hotel. In the middle of the Morocco Park we have more palace where the princely was born. It was also the summer residence for last king of Greece, Constantinos Garisavei, the old Venetian castle. The coast that we see on our left side is Greece with a small line of mountains. The second line of mountains, the highest one, is Albania. In the back of the boat, Benitez. Today we're going to stay southeast. We're going to stay southeast. We're going to pass the Moretica, Mesongi, Lefkimi, and we're going to go today to discover the island of Paxos. We're going to discover the caves, the west coast. We're going to go for swimming at the Paxos. In the afternoon, we're going to stop in Gaios, small village, the main town of the island of Paxos, Gaios. Thanks for you for a nice walk, enjoy a nice meal, and also make some shopping, buy a nice t-shirt. It's written, I love Greece. You can add it to your collection. I know you've been traveling everywhere, but the one